Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the Gumball so you can manipulate geometry immediately. Turn it on via View Gumball or the toolbar. Once visible, select your object. Make sure transforms aren't locked in properties so movement and scaling will work. Next, right-click the Gumball and choose a suitable origin like Object Center. This ensures predictable pivot behavior. Doing this now saves time later, because manipulations will use the intended reference point rather than an unexpected world origin. Once Gumball is positioned, use the colored arrows to translate along X, Y, and Z. You can hold Shift to constrain to screen plane motion if needed. For rotation, grab the arc handles, rotate freely, or click an arc twice to type an exact angle for precision. To resize, drag the square scale handles. If you need uniform scaling from the object center, hold Control while dragging. These direct manipulations are faster than command line values and keep you in the viewport workflow. To finish up, explore the Gumball right-click menu for Align, Orientation, Reset, and setting the gizmo to World or C-plane. These change how transforms are interpreted. For exact adjustments, select a handle and type a numeric value, then press Enter. This gives repeatable precision. If the Gumball behaves oddly, reset the object's transforms or rebuild your construction plane orientation so axes align correctly. Troubleshooting tip: if transforms remain wrong, duplicate the object, delete history, and reapply Gumball to clear hidden constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.